Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Blur Chrome extension. This extension help you quickly blur sensitive information like emails, password, names or private details while browsing website or taking screenshots. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store and go to the search bar and search for data blur, then enter. Here you will see there are too much options. You can select the trusted one which has high ratings, then click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, mark it as pin. Now go to the any website from where you want to remove the data while screen recording or capturing a screenshot, then click on the extension. Here you will see, click on open toolbar. Now you will select which data you want to blur, like you want anything to be blurred. Here you will see, again click on the extension. Here you will see the data will be blurred successfully. If you want to remove the blur, just simply again click on the extension, click on open toolbar and click on the remove delete icon to remove this blur. Here you will see the data will be returned back successfully. Like I want to hide only blur this part. Click on this, click on extension, click on open toolbar. Now all the website will be visible except this part, it will be blurred. You cannot see the details of this part. And that's it. This is how you can use the Blur Chrome extension easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.